Welcome. If you want to sync only your bookmarks in Chrome Mobile without syncing everything else, this updated guide will walk you through the exact steps to get it done quickly and easily. First, open the Chrome app on your mobile device. Look for the three-dot menu icon in the top right corner of your screen and tap it. This will open a drop-down menu with several options. Next, scroll down and tap on Settings. Here, you'll see a list of settings related to your Chrome account and browser preferences. At the top of the settings page, you'll find an option labeled Sync. Tap on it. If you're not already signed into your Google account, Chrome will prompt you to do so. Make sure you're using the same Google account that you want to sync your bookmarks with across your devices. Once you're in the sync settings, you'll notice a switch labeled Sync Everything. By default, this is usually turned on, which means Chrome will sync all your browsing data including bookmarks, passwords, history, and more. Since you only want to sync bookmarks, go ahead and turn off the Sync Everything option. After turning off Sync Everything, you'll see a list of individual data types that you can choose to sync. Find bookmarks in this list and toggle it on. Make sure all other options remain off if you don't want them to sync. That's it. You've now set up Chrome Mobile to sync only your bookmarks. This means your bookmarks will stay up to date across all your devices, while your other browsing data remains private and unsynced. If you ever want to adjust these settings, just repeat these steps and toggle the options as needed. Keeping your bookmarks in sync makes it easy to access your favorite sites, no matter which device you're using. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tech tips.